asked me this question that I should advise young youth or defense aspirants. Well, uh, it's good to know that people are volunteering, opting for the defense services, the uniformed forces, I would say, the entire country. And I would just recommend all of you to do not give up. If you have thought of something, prepare, and prepare for the one final day when you give that exam. You have full confidence when you go for the interviews or the selection services selection board SSBs. You are fully prepared and you don't have to think कि मुझे नहीं आता या मैं nervous हो गया हूँ. All the best to you guys. Since a lot of requests on this particular aspect was there, so मैंने decide किया है कि maybe I'll think over it and we can come back with a small live sessions where I can actually tell specific points for the young budding aspirants, people not only in the defense forces but also in the corporate world. They face a lot of stress. They also need a lot of motivation. So I can share my views. हम लोग उस पे plan कर सकते हैं maybe in the near future for all of you. Yeah, next question जो मुझसे पूछा गया था it was how do I keep myself motivated? जैसे मैंने बताया, like I just mentioned to you that the dreams and the desire to achieve those dreams has always kept me motivated. मेरी life में yes there have been numerous times जहाँ पे I felt like giving up, but giving up was not easy. It was not my choice. I always thought कि आज नहीं कल. Tomorrow I will give up, but not today, and that is how I kept myself motivated and went through the entire process. Let's come down to the second phase of my army journey and my career. So इसमें सबसे पहला and the first question, the most favorite of all of you is why did I join army? Well, or who motivated me to join army? As a child, I've always studied in army public school, and since my childhood, I've always been surrounded with the people in uniform. I always loved them. I always appreciated their work, and I loved the atmosphere they always produced around me. That was the one and the main reason that I thought one day I will join the Indian Armed Forces. Although I wanted to be an Air Force pilot, but as luck would say, it was God's plan. I am in the army. I'm not flying the engines, but I'm still flying with the parachute in the air. Next, let's go to the next question. Was one lesson from from my military career that everyone should learn.